Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing the brand new Soft Definition Lip Liners from Ravie Beauty. I'm going to show you how to create different looks, try swatches, all the fun things. So if that sounds like fun to you, please stick around. Please also like this video, leave me a comment, and subscribe to my channel. All right, let's get this party started. Okay, so we're going to start out with these Soft Definition Longwear Lip Liners. I was so excited when Allie announced that these were coming out. Here is the packaging. Very, very elegant. And I picked up two shades. I picked up the shade Honey and Almond. They do come in 4 shades. I may have to pick up more, but I was good. I only did 2 this time. It also comes in the shade Fig and Mocha. And these retail for $18. And they are waterproof. They're made in Italy. So even though these are long wearing, they're so creamy as I'm putting them on the hand. So Allie Glines, who's the founder of Ravie Beauty, said that she designed these in a way that they would be creamy enough to put on and that you would have enough time to work them into the lips, play around with them, get them to your desired level, and then once they set down, they lock in. So I'm super excited to try this formula. Let me show you the swatches that I just did. Okay, so right here we have Honey, and this is Almond. And I'm going to let those dry down before I do a real test to see how much they stay on the hand. But let's put this on the lip and have some fun. Okay, so first I'm going to go in with Honey. Okay. Ooh. You can kind of smudge it around with your finger. Bring it on the Cupid's bow. Okay, so that is Honey. It is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. And that just went on so seamlessly, so creamy. I love this. Okay, so that is Honey. It's just beautiful. And I'm just going to show you. So this has been on for about 5 minutes or so. Not budging. Not even in the slightest. So, I'm so excited. And this required absolutely no cleanup. It just went on seamlessly. I didn't have to fix anything. It was precise and it was so creamy. I was able to rub it in a little bit after I applied it. Really so pretty, and the shade is perfection. So to go with the lip liners, I did pick up a couple of lipsticks. This is the Ravie Beauty Effortless Lips lipstick. This is a unique 3-in-1 everyday sheer buildable lip color with the comfort of a balm, the buildable pigment of a lipstick, and the shine of a gloss. This is the packaging, very sleek. And I picked up 2 shades. This is the shade Zinnia. That is Zinnia. So just like the lip liners, these are supposed to be extremely long wearing. They're also vegan, cruelty-free. They're supposed to be friendly to any kind of fine lines in the lips. I've seen Allie apply these and it looks gorgeous on her. Anybody that ever uses these on social media, their lips look stunning, so I'm so excited to try these. I'm going with a little bit of a different look today with this combination by doing the lighter on the outside with a darker lip, kind of like a reverse ombre look. So let's give this a go. Ooh. And it literally feels like a lip balm. It feels so smooth on the lips. And that's doing a beautiful job of blurring any fine lines in the lips. Isn't that a beautiful color? And as this is sitting on my lips, I'm just seeing the little lines in my lips go further and further away. And this color is going to be perfect for fall. Like, this is the perfect fall shade. And again, it just feels like I have a lip balm on. It's so smooth. It's so hydrating. And that lip liner really kept it in place. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit more lip liner. And just do a little bit more on the edges. Okay, so let me come up close. And this is Honey and Zinnia. Okay, so I've removed honey. Now we're going to try out almond. Before I test that almond, I just want to mention I had to wash my hands for a second, and these did not budge. So I have a feeling they're going to be very long wearing. Okay. And this I'm kind of just buffing into the lip a little bit. Even if you make a little mistake, you have time to fix it. Ooh, very pretty. Okay. So that is almond. Get a little closer. Very pretty. I also picked up the Effortless Lips in the shade Daisy. So this is Daisy. I can't get over how creamy this is. And I have to say, I've been so impressed with everything I've tried so far from Ravie Beauty. Allie Glines, who's the founder, is just such an inspiration. As someone who creates beauty content for YouTube, I just look up to her so much. And it's amazing what she's been able to do in her YouTube journey, from making beauty content on YouTube to creating her own makeup company. I just think it's such an inspiring journey to see. And you can just tell how much attention she pays to detail, from the packaging to the applicators. All of it is just so well thought out. I mean, even with the Effortless Lips, I love the applicator. I love this beautiful gold color, how slender it is. It's just beyond stunning. And I've also tried the blush brush. I tried this for the first time today. As someone who kind of struggles with blush blindness a little bit and maybe applying a little bit too much blush, it's just made blush application so easy, and it's so soft, and the packaging is beautiful. I recently also picked up the Easy Everyday Brow Pencil, and this has just blown me away. It's a precision eyebrow pencil that doesn't break away when you're applying pressure, which is rare because some of these thinner eyebrow pencils, they always break on me every time I've tried them. This doesn't. So I'm super impressed with everything I tried from Ravie Beauty. I can't wait to review for you guys what she comes out with next. And again, I'm just so inspired by Allie and just cheering her on for everything she's accomplishing. So that wraps up my review of the Ravie Beauty Soft Definition Longwear Lip Liners. And I'm so glad I got to test these out. I have a feeling these are going to be so long wearing. They're so creamy, so easy to use. And I think you can create some gorgeous lip looks with these. And I'm looking forward to testing these out and trying new lip combinations. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. Let me know if you tried these lip liners, if you're planning on picking these up. I want to hear all the fun things in the comments. Please also like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.